Australian dollars. Blood here, yeah. Join also my membership. Don't forget Benjamin. Join my membership. And then click the join membership. Hello, how about the others? How about? Please like, share, comment. Thank you so much to Benjamin. Thompson, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Hello everybody. Um, mm. Oh, hello, 130 doggy. Hello. Thank you for appreciating my beauty. Ah, I can. Can you dance a little bit? That's all hair in front. Okay. Hello to my 147 viewers. Thank you for coming on live. No, I'm not showing my. Hello Benjamin, are you still there? Thank you for your presence, even though you are busy, but you give time. Yes, a beautiful head, the wolf. Hello, the wolf, watching from. Can you join my membership? Hi, I'm waving to all my viewers to join my membership to help my channel. Hello to my comment guys, comment. So I will give you a shout out. Hello to Dennis Katwasha. Hi to you. The wolf is watching from. And Lokabad, please respect to my life. Mike Patrick Davis. Mike Patrick Davis for today. Hello, shout out. It's Sophia in Hawaii. Hi to Andres Sojorat. And to Shido. And to Nachun. And Fans Kambing. Hello. Hi, thank you for joining, ma'am. Thank you, Benjamin. Shout out to you. Good. Alright. I'm fine. I did because thank you. Thank you for remembering on my channel. Thank you so much. Please stand up. You are known. I am Filipina. I am from Philippines. Ajay, you're very beautiful, energetic lady. I need to be energetic. Hi, my sexy partner from Confused Chateau. Hello. Always nice to see you. No, I can't stand for I'm not Indonesian, I'm a Filipino. I'm a Filipina. So, from Philippines. Welcome to my room. Welcome to my room. Welcome to. Hello, please share, like, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also, check bra. And just like Benjamin Thompson, just buy super stickers, super chat, join membership, subscribe, and click the button there. No, I don't know how to twerk. It's so hard, but hello Joker. Hello everyone. And Benjamin, message me on my Instagram. You can message me there. I will reply. Joker, I'm from Philippines. Don't forget, I'm from